Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about the secret formula to boost traffic and conversions. Let's get into it. The foundation of success on Amazon comes down to just two core principles: bringing in traffic and converting that traffic into sales. It might sound simple, but these two pillars are where most sellers either thrive or fall short. Without traffic, you have no visibility. And without conversion, all the visibility in the world won't help. That's why this formula is considered the most essential part of selling on Amazon. When launching a new product, especially for the first time, the biggest mistake sellers make is listing it at full price. On a brand new listing with no reviews or history, this often results in a very low conversion rate, sometimes as low as 3% or 4%. But what happens when you launch at a 50% discounted price? Your conversion rate can rise dramatically, often landing between 12% and 16% depending on your category and how optimized your listing is. This higher conversion rate doesn't just mean more sales, it means more efficient advertising. Let's say you're spending $2 per click on PPC. If your listing only converts 4% of that traffic, your cost per sale is extremely high. But if you're converting at 15%, your cost per sale decreases significantly and your advertising becomes more sustainable. This is the beginning of what we call the flywheel effect. Better conversion means better rankings, and better rankings lead to more organic traffic, which in turn leads to more conversions. Amazon's algorithm rewards results, not reputation. You don't have to be a big brand to succeed, but your listing needs to perform. That means having a compelling main image, a benefit-driven title, and a product page that instantly communicates value. Even something as small as including your main keyword in the image or emphasizing a unique benefit can increase click-through rate. And every extra click matters. Once a shopper lands on your page, your job is to keep their attention and make them feel confident in the purchase. That means clear, benefit-focused bullet points, professional A+ content, and if possible, a product video. The entire listing should feel like a response to the customer's internal question: why should I choose this product over all the others? It's important to remember that Amazon is a marketplace, not a brand showcase. Shoppers are trained to compare, and they make quick decisions. That's why sellers must approach their listings with precision. A product that's priced well, marketed strategically, and supported by great content can easily outperform a better-known competitor. Launching successfully in today's competitive landscape requires a disciplined approach. Start with a lower price, run PPC to build visibility, and focus heavily on increasing your conversion rate through design, copy, and offer structure. Once your listing gains momentum, Amazon will begin rewarding it with more traffic, giving you the chance to scale organically and profitably. Success on Amazon isn't about doing 100 things. It's about doing a few things really well. Drive the traffic, convert the traffic, and repeat the cycle until your listing becomes self-sustaining. That's the secret formula. Simple in theory, powerful in execution. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.